Hi, it's Dr. G, and if you can believe it, because I can't, I'm already 8 months after my FUE procedure here at our very own Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. And it's gone by way faster than I thought it was. And honestly, I mean, that's life. When you're busy, it just flies. And now I've had several haircuts with my stylist, and I'm getting used to wearing my hair, honestly, in ways I never had before. My family, my loved ones, everybody that knows me forever and ever is just floored by the results. I mean, honestly, I've been telling them I don't think my hair even looked this good back in high school, which was a long time ago, people. Anyway, it's just, I mean, I'm learning kind of how I want to style it. On the days that I really want it nice and styled, I'll actually take a blow dryer again and actually kind of comb it over and do the things that I like to do to have a nice, kind of modern style, hairline. And then there's days I just wake up and I want to be messy and I just let it sort of flow forward and be on my forehead. But you would not believe, like, everybody that I've been on vacation, I've been swimming, and people in my life, I won't name them, but my sister, who is not always the most complimentary, has even said that when I get out of the water, my hair still looks amazing. And that's like, that wasn't achievable before, like a long time ago with hair transplant procedures. So, I mean, it's incredible. I mean, I love the feel of my hair, the texture of my hair. Everything is just exactly what I would expect for natural hair. And then just day to day, I don't have to think about it. It just does what I want it to. Before having done, thousands of these procedures for my patients, I thought I kind of knew what it would feel like, and I had an expectation. It has absolutely even exceeded my expectations. It's been such another happy addition to my life, and I get it, and even more powerfully it hits me now, the impact that we get to have in our patients' lives, and I am forever grateful.